Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 mini, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now before we get started, you will need the SIM eject tool. This comes provided with the phone itself in a box, so you can get it from there, unlike a charger. And simply let's find where we have the tray, which looks like it is right over here, so bottom left side of the device. Take that pin, push it in, and you'll see that the tray pops out. Then take it out, and from here you have space for a single SIM card. Place it on the tray and then insert it back into the device. Now make sure you hold the card, otherwise it's just gonna simply fall out. And from here I have a SIM lock on my SIM card, so I do need to confirm it. And there we go. And that is how you insert your SIM card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.